ChatGPT versus Jasper AI, which one should you choose for content creation in 2025? Let's compare both tools and find out which one is right for your business. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot by OpenAI. It generates human-like text based on your prompt. Perfect for writing, brainstorming, and quick replies. What is Jasper AI? Jasper AI is built specifically for marketers and content creators. It offers ready-to-use templates for blogs, ads, and social media. It supports team collaboration. ChatGPT Pro is free to use, Pro plan optional. Fast, flexible, and beginner-friendly. Great for idea generation and short-form content. ChatGPT Cons: no templates. Needs manual structure, lacks advanced formatting and tone controls. Jasper AI Pro's 50+ built-in templates. Long-form editor and tone adjustment. Boss mode for advanced control. Great for agencies and professionals. Jasper AI Cons: paid-only platform. Needs credits to operate. Some features require practice to master. Use cases comparison. Use ChatGPT if you need quick replies, ideas, or simple drafts. Use Jasper AI if you're writing sales copy, blogs, or structured content at scale. Final verdict. Both tools are powerful. Beginners should start with ChatGPT. Marketers and content teams should go for Jasper AI. Smart creators use both, together. Which one are you using, ChatGPT or Jasper? Comment below and share your experience. Subscribe to AI Profits Lab for more AI content tips every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.